Hello everybody! Today Bitcoin pulled back just a bit on Wednesday, but found a bit of support all the way down at the $20,000 level. Congratulations! Finding support at the $20,000 level not be a huge surprise, but it's only a matter of time before we see the market try to bounce a bit. The market will almost certainly bounce from here, but that bounce is something that people will start selling again. After all, imagine being reckless enough to buy the market during the previous consolidation and getting the opportunity to get out of this horrible trade at break-even type of situation will be too good to pass up. If we did somehow break above the $32,000 level, the market is likely to continue to see plenty of sellers above anyway. Ultimately, anytime we see a bit of rally, the first signs of exhaustion will have people panicking again. Alternatively, we break down below the $20,000 level, the market would be more likely than not to open up even more downward pressure. At that point, the market should go looking to the $12,000 level, which is the next major area of noise in general. Ultimately, you have all the time in the world to get involved in it, going to be upside if you choose. The Bitcoin market needs to rally before the rest of the crypto markets can. So everybody is going to be watching this.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future Bitcoin and stock market predictions. See you next time.